What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Monday, August 24th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Whoo! When I tell you this morning was a test of patience, let me tell you that is no lie. These britches are not on fire. Let's just talk about how it started out. This morning, went downstairs outside to go clear up some of the items that we needed to get out of the yard because we have 2 hurricanes coming this way. Thank you, 2020. Woo! I'm in the Houston area and they are on their way. The next thing, as I was starting to trade this morning, heard that familiar connection lost. My internet kept dropping. So I went to my trusty phone and put in my mobile hotspot and had no more issues after that. Because it froze up, I had to refresh my data. I decided to go down to a 10-day instead of having it out there for 90 days. So I'll just reserve that from where I'm working with some students. Let's talk about the trades that I took. Let's go check them out. Okay, because of all the data refreshing and everything, it was probably a good 35 minutes this morning where I was recording, but I didn't trade. All you Vault users, you will see all that in there. You'll get to see what kind of fun we get to have when that type of stuff happens. I do think it's going to continue going up right now, but it's going without me. I was actually a little frustrated with missing a few of these moves to the downside. So when it pulled back right here, I said, oh, I'm still taking my move to the downside. I did. I took my 2 points and then said, this is not happening. Got out because in the way that my indicators were telling me that was going to keep going up. When it pulled back deeper in here, I had no way to catch it. So I waited for these pullbacks. I got in twice. First one got me a little bit of points. Next one, I ended up losing a total of a point because I did pull my risk in rather tight. Had I not pulled my risk in, I probably would have been out with one of these moves right here. It is giving a look like it wants to continue to the upside, just looking at the way it's just hanging out here. I'm not willing to fight with this little bit of junk that's happening, so I'm calling that a day. I do have a pretty full week this week, so I don't know how much trading I was going to do. That's why I wanted to try and get in some this morning. Probably part of the reason I put the second contract in. That freaking ego gets in the way and saying, oh, we can just make lots of points right here if we just double up. And it kind of bit me in the boo-boo. Not a whole home run, but guys, if you can make 4 points a day instead of losing 4 points a day, believe me, you're on the right track. I really have no preference over what time I trade. I may trade in the morning, may trade in the afternoon. I simply trade what it gives me for the time that I spend with it. We do have spots filling up for responsible day traders. If you want to be a part of that, please hit us up at info@responsibledaytrading.com. I do have 2 openings right now. After that, we're going to shut it off for a little bit so we don't overwhelm our educators and everybody gets all of the help that they need. We're going to wrap that up. I hope that everybody has a magnificent Monday. Please remember, be patient with yourself, be patient with the market, and as always, have a fabulous day. Enjoy the show. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch up with y'all a little later on. I want to check out this daily market. Okay, we can see we have made new highs overnight. Look what happened. Pulled right down to that bottom Bollinger Band and it's bouncing back up off of there. It made a pretty strong push back up so far. It is early in the day. It's only 9:15. So it'll be interesting to see if it pulls back to this area, keeps bouncing. Who knows? We will check it out as it comes along, I guess, right? I'm pulling that into a break even. There we go. All right, this has a I'm pulling this down because this has a very good chance to pop up from here with this not rolling over. Just 1 + 1 here. hitting close. I may have touched it before I hit close. I don't know. Not just yet. There we go. All right, behind that little pivot. See if it's gonna pop up or it's gonna pull back. I'm gonna add 2 more. Let's see, we still got 4 here. We're good. Just gonna leave that there for the moment. Here we go. That pulled down so fast. That's never fun, right? All right, that one's out. We're gonna pull this up a little bit more too. Yeah, okay. Not exactly the fun ride it can be sometimes. Let's see what that's done for us so far. 4 points with 3 trades. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's gonna go up or not right now. I'm not gonna be with it. Whatever it's gonna do, it's just gonna play along without me. So let's go ahead, write these on here. I'm not one of the big boys, I'll tell you that much. But I sure do hold my own. So I'm good with that. Boom, done. I'm probably not going to have this out till later on this afternoon. Oh my God, Lindsay. It's popping up right now. No. You got things to do and you gotta go. Hey, no matter what it does, if it goes up for 15 points, if it goes up for 30, it's going without me. I have a physical therapy appointment in a little bit that I got to prepare for. I got to make sure the kids are on track with their school. And I found myself fighting myself a lot in the long and the short and the long and the short thought process. And because I expected it to pull back in and I was trying to make it go back down. So I just said, you know what? We're just going to call it. I'm just going to call it. It is what it is. That's my favorite saying these days, okay? It is what it is. There is nothing that I can do about it except the way that I react to it. That's it. That's all I can do. We're going to go ahead and wrap that up. And as always, guys, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.